Here we are again, out on another adventure. Not quite so wild this time. Got something new to test out, as you can see on the roof of the big boy. Tentbox. Time for some new Tentbox adventures, I think. So we've got it out. We've got it to start again. We've had it fixed onto the car. Max, stay there, good boy. And a little robin just come up to land on the camera there. Nice. So yeah, got it fixed on the roof of the car, and this is the first time it's been out, so we're going to give it a go today, and I thought I'd bring you along. Pretty good, looking forward to it. Now obviously this is a new thing for me, so I'm just going to go with the flow, set it up. I've brought the tarp with us as well, so hopefully we'll try and make some sort of living area underneath. I'm sure you've seen tent boxes before. This one, forest green 2.0. So yeah, let's get on with it. We'll speed it up, and then what I'll do once I've sped it up and set it all up, that way you don't see as much errors from my part, well, we shall have a view around it. I'll show you around. Max is here again, anxious to get out of the car. Stay. No, good boy, you can wait. Alright guys, let's get on with it. We'll get it set up. Cheers.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me,
seeing him? I don't know if you can actually see him from there, can you? Have a look. Yeah, you can see. Alright, son, that's his bed. I can't get him up the ladders into the tent box yet. I'm gonna have to rig something up to make ladders into steps. I think you can actually buy these. They're like hard fabric that goes up and it turns it into like a more like stairs. So we'll see if we can get him them to get him up there. But if not, he's got his nice comfy bed in the boot, haven't you, son? Well guys, I hope you're enjoying the video so far. There's not a lot here. It's not wild camping like it normally is. I'm in a campsite today. Utter them words, campsite. So I've had some burgers, some cheese, a bit of salad, and I thought now it's time to have a drink. Pepsi Max and Captain Morgan's spiced rum. Wonderful. Cheers. Oh yeah, that's nice that. I forgot my glass. Can't believe it. So I'm gonna have to use a cup for a bit of vodka and coke later on. Still off the beer. Still dropping the weight. 2 stone loss so far. I'm very happy with that. Can't tell with all this baggage on at the minute, but yeah, feeling really good. A lot healthier. So yeah, here we are, campsite. Testing out the new tent box. This thing I'm going to take to Scotland, hopefully January. I've had the Jeep kitted out with some new off-road tyres, and yeah, we'll take it up Scotland, Glencoe probably, January time if I get the time. Either that or it'll be February, one of the two. But we'll go up there for a few nights. Like I said earlier, I'll show you around the tent box and the setup later on. I'm going to chill out for now, have a few drinks, listen to some music, and I'll bring you back a bit later on. Yeah, if you haven't seen it, latest video's out. One before this, Lake District, check it out. With the new Cloud Up 2, the upgraded version. I got that out on the last video, so if you haven't seen that yet, have a look through the playlist. You'll see it somewhere. It's pretty recent. But yeah, good to see you again, guys. And Max is happy to be here. You want to be out, don't you? You coming? Come on in. Come on in. Come on. He's a good boy. Right, I'm going to go have a few drinks and I'll see you back tonight. Won't we? Yeah! Alright, see you shortly, guys. Again, cheers. Hello, up close and personal. Not bad. Bit old, but not bad. As promised, I'd bring you back and show you around the camp, the tent box. So we might as well start by saying cheers. Still got, believe it or not, still got some of the vodka left from the last camp. Anyway guys, let's tilt you around and we'll show you the setup. Right, as you've seen on so many videos before, my trusty tarp. This is from Amok. I think this Norwegian or Swedish, one of the two, but I apologise if I've got that wrong. Absolutely amazing tarps. Just completely waterproof, bomb-proof. Anyway, that's the tarp that you've seen a million times. So let's move into the setup. Like I said, this is just a new setup for me. So in a campsite tonight, which is not my favourite thing to do, but it's October. It's that. Oh, sorry, beg your pardon. It's November now. It's that time of year. There's not many people about, so I don't mind. So yeah, I've put the tarp up over the Jeep. And this is the setup that I've got at the minute. I've got my table, a few candles to add to the atmosphere. This is where I'm having to put Max at the minute, which is a shame really, because I like him with me in the tent. But this is his bed. I mean, it's double duvet, and this comes over if he wants to get a bit more toasty at night. He's got his jacket there. Yeah, so moving around, this is the look at these new bad boy tyres I've had put on. This is my trusty beloved Jeep, which gets me from A to B most of the time. So yeah, got the roof kitted out with the Tentbox, and this is the Lite 2.0. Went for the similar colour to the car. I mean, it's not identical, but it's pretty close. So yeah, this basically, like I say, is a Tentbox Lite 2. This folds down, as you've seen on the video opening it up earlier. Folds down into a box, covers over with a very heavy duty waterproof cover, which rolls up and tucks away. As you can see, it's folded out. You've got the steps, which, like I said earlier, I'm going to try and buy this additional setup for Max, so it makes it into, it fits out here, so it gives a platform on each, and it makes it into sort of steps. So I'm hoping that'll help with him getting in and out, because I just can't lift. I could lift him up, but I'd probably put my back out. He's like 40 kilos, he's a big boy. So yeah, I use this area here as the cooking area for the time being. I've packed it away now because I'm not requiring it anymore tonight. But yeah, this is pretty much it. The Tentbox Lite 2. And I'll take you up and let you have a look in it. Now this cover here also, but just before I go up, this black cover comes off in the summer, so you can just have the actual tent itself without the fly sheet. But during the winter and when it's raining, you've got it on here for extra protection. Now this is your main door, which zips down, closed. It's got a bar in there as well, which weighs it down to keep it closed when you're not fully zipping it up. This rolls up. And as you can see inside, you've got loads of room. Let me just get a torch, because it's right. Yeah, that's better. I'm hoping you can see that all right. So this is inside. You've got two skylights, which is brilliant. This is something I bought extra, which is a little table that fits on. And I'll stick my tablet on there if I want to watch a movie later. You've got this door, obviously, which has got the mesh attached. You've also got another window door here, which has got the mesh and also the outer protection, the waterproof cover. Again, the roof zips closed dark, and also you've got mesh on both sides. You've got these skylights, so when it's a clear night, just not tonight, you can look at the stars. You've got another door there which opens up. Same again, the mesh. You got your Tentbox pocket up there, store you whatever you want, your phone. And again on this side, you've also got the mesh. So it's pretty much opens up all the way around. Let lots of air in. In the summer it'll be amazing. Winter, it's still pretty decent, it's warm. I've also got the liner which I'm going to take to Scotland with me. Just in case, it's because Scotland in January is going to be pretty cold, let's face it. So yeah, I brought a duvet with us tonight just for extra cover, protection. I've got the sleeping bag that I always use, really warm. Underneath your duvet you've got your mat. I've got the Tentbox fitted sheet which I bought additionally, and you've got, I mean, what's about 3-inch thick mattress, 3-4 inch, and it's like a memory foam mattress. It's really comfortable, and underneath you've got the hard floor. So yeah, it's very good quality, as you can see. All the seams are taped. And it's yeah, it's amazing quality. So yeah, this is the Tentbox Lite 2.0. Now they do an extra large version, which I don't need. I mean, even if I was to bring my daughter or my son, or even the wife, you get 3 in here, 2 adults and a small child, no problem, or 1 adult, 2 children, or 1 adult and 1 big heavy dog, if I can sort it out to get it fixed up so that he can get in here, because he'd love lying in there with me. Bit of a shame at the minute, he's in prison in the boot. But knowing Max, he'd probably just go to sleep anyway. Let's turn this off. So yeah guys, that's the setup. There's not really much else I can tell you about it. There's a million videos on YouTube with tent boxes, and you've seen the quick setup version earlier on when I had it on hyperlapse. But when I go to Scotland, I'll do a bit more in depth of the setting up. We'll see how it goes from there. But yeah, that's it basically. The only downside of a tent box is you're kind of limited to where you can go. I mean, I love wild camping, you know I do, and I love getting out away from people in the wilderness. Now Scotland is great for that, even with the tent box. But in England, you're kind of limited to campsites. Which, don't get me wrong, there are some pretty decent campsites out there, but I wouldn't want to come to one in the summer. I just don't, I'm not a big fan of crowds. I like my peace and quiet, as I'm sure a lot of you will appreciate that. But for tonight though, we've got a campsite just on the outskirts of the Peak District, and it's not bad. So it'll do us for tonight. That's your final walk round. Since 1941. That's when jeeps were made, apparently, for the Second World War, when the Americans entered it, or were forced. But yeah, that's your walk around. Right, Max? Right guys, I'm going to get back to doing what I do best. Drink and enjoy myself. Let me fasten this on here. There we go. And that'll be it. That'll be it. It's a bit wonky, but never mind. Cheers, guys. winter is upon us, and I'll see you again shortly for another wild adventure. This time we'll head out into the wild, and obviously, yeah, we've got Scotland in the new year, so we'll try and get a couple of more camps in before Christmas, work permitting, fingers crossed. Anyway, enjoy the last few minutes, and I'll see you again, guys, on the next one. Thanks again. Any new subscribers out there as well, thank you for subscribing, obviously, and joining us, Max and I, on our adventures. Right, take it easy.